Students, it's my fifth lecture on chapter equilibrium. Let's start. Students, in our previous lecture, we have studied about the pH, and pH is a negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration. So, if it is given a solution of HCl having the concentration 10 to the power minus 3, find out its pH. So, student, pH is equal to negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration. H ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 3. So, negative log a to the power n is equal to n log a. So minus minus plus 3 log 10. Log 10 having the value 1. So pH is 3, which shows that it is acidic by nature. The next second question is, the pH hydronium ion concentration is 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 3, and find out the pH of the solution. As we all know, pH is equal to negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration. Place the value of hydronium ion concentration here and use the formula log A into B. Expand the formula. Log A into B is equal to log a plus log b. So expand the formula, place the value, and secondly again we have to place the formula of log a to the power m is equal to m log a. So placing this value, find out the value of log, and ultimately we can find out the pH of the given solution. Sometime there is a problem facing by the student. What is the pH of the solution when the solution is H2SO4, student, and the concentration of that solution is given as 2 molar, and we have to find out its pH. See student, concentration of hydronium ion is negative logarithm of concentration of hydronium ion is pH. Here when it is H2SO4, dissociate, double of hydronium ions are formed. So we have to double the value of this given concentration, because on dissociation 2 hydronium ion are produced. By doing this, we can easily calculate the correct answer of pH. Now the next topic is solubility. See students, there are two categories of the substances, see, which are completely soluble in a given solvent, and the substances which are diluted in small amount, dissolved in small amount. The compound which are dissolved in small amount is called as Sprengli soluble salt. Let's take the example of AgCl. AgCl, when dissolved in water, some Ag ion and chloride ion dissociate in water, and some remains in undissociated form. They form equilibrium between them. So equilibrium constant is equal to product concentration over reactant concentration. So here it is a amount of AgCl which is in undissociated form. Cross multiplication there, the product of the substances which is in undissolved form and dissociation constant is called as solubility constant. So the solubility constant is equal to product of concentration of products. Let's take the example. See here, solubility product AXBY. When dissociate, X ion of A is formed and Y ions of B is formed. So the solubility product of these ions is equal to product of concentration of products raised to the power of their stoichiometric coefficient, which is formed during dissolved form. So A ions, X molecules are formed, B ion, Y molecules are formed. So their coefficients are A to the power X, B to the power Y. By taking the example of chemicals, see AgCl. See AgCl forming the equilibrium between Ag ion and chloride ion, and concentration of Ag ion is equal to 10 to the power minus 1.06 into 10 to the power minus 5. So here the concentration of Ag ion is same and chloride ion is same. So the solubility product is equal to product of 1.06 into 10 to the power minus 5 इंटू 1.06 इंटू 10⁻⁻5, क्योंकि डिसोसिएशन के टाइम पीरियड में 1 मोल ऑफ AgIn and 1 मोल ऑफ क्लोराइड आयन्स आर formed. In case of MgOH, twice 1 mole Mg ion is formed and 2 mole of hydroxyl ion is formed. So Ksp means solubility constant is equal to product of concentration of magnesium ion and product of concentration of your hydroxyl ion, which is twice in number, 2 into 10 to the power 2 into 1.44 into 10 to the power minus 4 to the power 2. डबल फॉर्म में फॉर्म होंगे और रेज टू द पावर ऑफ देयर स्टिक्योमेट्रिक कोफिशिएंट्स. दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द solubility product. See, solubility product is always found in the solution which is saturated. तो solubility product और ionic product में सिर्फ इतना difference है कि solubility product में ये जो ionic equilibrium है ये saturated solutions में formation हुई है. In ionic product हम किसी भी concentration में calculate कर सकते हैं, but solubility product हम हमेशा concentrated solutions, not concentrated, we can also say that कि we are using the in saturated solutions. The next topic is common ion effect. For explaining the common ion effect, we should know about the Le Chatelier principle. Le Chatelier principle, according to Le Chatelier principle, if the concentration of reactant increase, reaction goes to forward direction. If the concentration of products are increased, reaction goes to backward direction. Now we are going to discuss common ion effect. See, suppose we have any salt A, B. It is forming A ion and B ion, and they are forming equilibrium between them. Then after a certain period, the another electrolyte is added to that AB electrolyte, and it having common A ion. AC, suppose we have the AC ion to that solution. Now in a given solution, A ion concentration is increased and reaction goes to backward direction. See, let's take the example of acetic acid. Acetic acid is a weak electrolyte. It is dissociated into acetate ion and hydroxyl ion. If we add the salt of its acetic acid, which is strong, we have taken sodium salt of acetic acid, which is a strong electrolyte of that given salt. See, when acetate ion is added to that electrolytic, that solution, which is acetic acid, which is a weak electrolyte, acetate ion is again dissociated into acetate ion and sodium ion, but it is dissociated completely. When it is dissociate, acetate ion concentration is increased and reaction goes backward direction. That is a common ion effect. Common ion effect में product की concentration increase होने की वजह से reaction backward direction की तरफ move होगी और undissociated form of acetic acid ज़्यादा बनेगा. ये क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि आपकी प्रोडक्ट की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इंक्रीज हो गई आयंस की और रिएक्शन मूव्स टुवर्ड्स द बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कॉमन आयन इफेक्ट.